Rats are known as carriers of serious diseases such as Salmonella and Hantavirus, which pose a serious risk to human health. In addition, they can cause significant property damage as potential property destroyers. Therefore, if you want to get rid of them, try the recipe that we'll show you today. It's very easy to make, and you only need 3 ingredients, which are cheap and easily available, so you can make a large amount of repellent for little money. Be sure to stay with us until the end of the video, because we'll give you some more useful information on how you can use this repellent on other animals apart from mice and rats. The first thing you'll need is 1 spoonful of very hot chili pepper, which you'll need to grind in a grinder. This way it has a much more intense smell and a stronger effect. Along with the chili pepper, you'll also add 1 spoonful of mint, which we'll need chopping into small pieces. Add the 2 ingredients in a container and shake well. Next, add half a liter of hot water. Finally, you'll add the last ingredient, which is garlic powder. You can also use ordinary garlic, but garlic powder is cheaper, more practical, and has a stronger effect. Mix everything well so that the ingredients are released and leave it in water for a couple of hours. Next, strain the ingredients through a cheesecloth and fill a syringe or sprayer with the liquid you filtered. You're now probably thinking, how is this going to make rats and mice disappear? Well, did you know that certain smells repel rats and mice? They can't stand the smell of mint, hot pepper, and garlic. They'll avoid places where they smell this pungent aroma and leave. You can make dozens of liters of repellent from these ingredients. Spray wherever you think there are mice and rats. Spray the whole yard and house and be persistent. A syringe or sprayer is especially good for small, narrow openings or crevices where rats or mice may be hiding. But that's not all. This repellent also repels mosquitoes, ants, centipedes, cockroaches, and other insects, so you have a double benefit. I hope this video has helped you. We'd be glad if you share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to use onions to get rid of pests. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.